Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Perry with Details Retail. Today we're at Whitefield Welding and Fabricating. Today we have a special thing for you. We are going to be putting on a new tooth bar on the bucket. We will be talking to Terry Whitefield, the owner of Whitefield Welding and Fabrication. So without further ado, let's walk in and check things out. All right guys, let's talk to Terry Whitefield of the shop, who's going to be putting the bars on the excavator. Terry, so tell us a little bit about your project or product.
Okay, well, we manufacture by hand these tooth bars. Bob Hendricks designed these 34 years ago, and we have the heavy duty, which is now going to be called the Shark, the standard duty, which is going to be a Piranha, and a Piranha with extra teeth for our landscaping. Very, very good, high quality products. I got people 16 years old and they're still working. We now have a new invention. A lot of people want to go the other way. Take the teeth bar, leave them on, and put a cutting edge. So this is just a start. This will be a full plate, 8 inches wide. Very heavy duty.
Hey Terry, so what we got over here, going over here, I see a little something interesting over here on the side here.
Well, yeah, that's something I've been working on for 3 years, and I was lucky to have this opportunity to buy this new fab shop so I can continue. Those are tracks made for my Cayenne, and we will be modifying them and putting them on there. So we do anything from the ground up. Anything.
Okay, so we will probably be doing a video on these later, so you guys can have a little peek on how that looks on top of that forge.
Right.
So,
yeah.
All right, well, let's get to the nitty gritty and let's get this bar built. Alright guys, as you can see, we had it was very difficult to cut through that piece of steel, but that steel is 3/4 inch thick. So I have a PowerMax Hypertherm PowerMax 45, so you're pushing its capabilities. I've cut 1 inch stock with it before, but it's really slow and the cut isn't the greatest, but it can do it. That is testament to the Hypertherm